today I'll be showing you the dehydrator I got from Lazada just a few days ago. I've been wanting to have a dehydrator in my kitchen because I am fond of processing things like spices and the likes. And finally today I am using this for the first time. Yay! But before I will show you how to dry things in here, I will show you its features. Actually, this is just a very simple kitchen tool. It only has two knobs in here, as you can see. The first one, the one with the red light, is actually the turn on knob. You just have to push it down to turn it on. And the next to it is the temperature control knob. You just have to set the temperature of this tool that would suit the product that you will be drying. So for today, I am processing chili. Chili is my favorite, the chili flakes and the powder. So this is my first product to be dried in here. So in processing chili, you have to set the temperature to 50, as you can see. I don't know if it's clear, but there I set the temperature knob to 50, and then according to the manual, in drying chili it would take 8 hours using this dehydrator. So I'm very excited to see the result of this processing time. And if I may add, there are actually layers in there where we can put the product to dry. So actually this dehydrator has five layers, but because I only have a few chilies to process, I just use 2 layers, as you can see. So since this is my first time to use this dehydrator, journey with me in seeing or testing if what this cute little machine here that we have is indeed can truly dry the chili after 8 hours. Okay, and after setting it to 50-degree Celsius. Alright, so after the processing time, I'll be making another video to show you the final product. So if you're interested in this kind of video, please click like and click the subscribe button, and see you in my next video. Bye.